Front desk check-in procedure, step by step. HotelTurth. Welcome to HotelTurth, where we reveal the real truth, training, and professional skills of the hotel industry. If you want to grow in hospitality, you're in the right place. Front desk check-in looks simple, right? But one small mistake can ruin the guest experience instantly. Today I'll show you the complete step-by-step check-in procedure used in professional hotels. Let's dive into the essential steps for a professional hotel check-in. Always greet the guest within 5 seconds. Maintain eye contact, smile, and a confident posture. Good morning, welcome to the hotel. How may I assist you? Ask for the guest's name and booking details. Check the reservation in the system. If there is no booking, handle them as a walk-in guest. Request a valid ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Verify the details and update the system. This is crucial for security and legal compliance. Ask the guest to fill or confirm the registration form, checking details like name, contact number, address, and signature. Assign the room based on availability and preference. Always try to upgrade if possible. It greatly improves guest satisfaction. Confirm the payment method, cash, card, or company booking. Take an advance or deposit if required, and explain billing clearly to avoid confusion later. Prepare and hand over the room key. Always state the room number discreetly. Never say it loudly for security reasons. Briefly explain hotel facilities, including breakfast timing, Wi-Fi details, and pool or gym hours. Keep it short and clear. If a bellboy is available, escort the guest. If not, provide clear directions, such as where to find the elevator. End with a polite closing, such as, "Have a pleasant stay with us." Always ensure you leave a positive last impression. By following these steps, you ensure every guest starts their stay on the right note. A perfect check-in creates the first impression, and in hospitality, first impressions are everything. If you found this training helpful, like, share, and subscribe to HotelTurth. Comment below. Are you working at a front desk or planning to join?